Hey guys, it's your girl Ashlee. If you're new to my channel, what's up today? I don't know why I'm like, what's up? But today I have a makeup review for you guys. I actually have this right here to review for you guys. I don't know if you guys have seen this. I got this at Ulta. Maybe you guys saw it and kind of just went past it, but this actually caught my attention. I've never ever tried this brand before, and honestly I'm gonna butcher the name because I don't even know that's how you say it, but PUR. I've never tried PUR before. I haven't really heard about it. I haven't really seen people review things about it. I mean, there's videos out there, but the people that I usually go ahead and like watch the videos, I've never really heard them talk about PUR before. But anywho, I went ahead and I picked this up at Ulta. The packaging is really what got my attention, to be honest. Like, come on. You're gonna tell me that this isn't distracting and that this isn't cute? Like, come on. Point is, I went to Ulta, I saw this, the packaging got my attention. I was like, ooh, what is this? And then I realized that it's like, some limited edition stuff. And not only that, but I'm a sucker for deals. And the fact that this was only $49 and normally would retail for $320. Of course, I was like, let me see what this is all about. It comes with 16 eyeshadows, 2 blushes, 1 highlighter. And then on this side over here, you got a travel size mascara, you got some lashes, and a travel size lip gloss. So I was like, oh my gosh, like that's a really good deal for all the things that you're getting. Let me go ahead and try this brand out and see what's up. So I went ahead and I did some swatches. I also filmed a tutorial. Well, in this video, you guys gonna see a little tutorial on the eye look that I have going on. And yeah, let me go ahead and get right into the demo, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts at the end. So this is what the eyeshadow part looks like. Super cute shadows. Not only that, but I'm in love with the names. They're so fun. So from left to right, I'm gonna start with Passionate. Then we have Shook, Inspired, Extra, and Motivated. And these are the more shimmer, glittery ones. Now let's move on to the like matte and satin finish ones. From left to right, we have Pure, Devoted, Glamorous, Fulfilled, Emotional, Excited AF, Confident, Hangry, Loved, Hyped, and 110%. Now for the blushes and highlight and gloss, I'm going to start from the highlighter, which is called Lit. Then we have the blush called Snatched and Flirty. Then we have this lip gloss called DIY. This is what the whole palette looks like on my arm, from the eyeshadows to the blush and highlight to the gloss. Now let's go ahead and move right into the demo. So I already went ahead and primed my eyes. I used the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer in Eden. I believe that's how you say it. And now let's just go ahead and start with the eyeshadow. I kind of want to play with the glitter, but at the same time I kind of don't. I'm just not in the mood for it, but I don't know what to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using my Morphe M511 brush, which looks like this, and I'm going to be grabbing the color here, which is Loved. This is kind of hard to show you guys exactly every single shadow that I'm going to be using, but it's this one right here. Sorry, my camera wasn't focusing, but that's the color Loved right there. And I'm going to be using this as like my transition shade, so above the crease, just going back and forth. I'm really into like purples and pinks right now for some reason. I'm just really feeling those colors. So I'm just going to try this look out. Now with my Morphe M514, I'm going to grab the color Hangry. I'm going to focus this color on the crease. So just going back and forth. Well, you guys can see there's a couple of fallout already. Okay. Even like when I pick up with this brush, when I pick up the product, it's like super powdery and just all over the place right now on my palette, which is not my favorite thing in the world. But we're just going to see how this goes. Back with the Morphe M511 brush, I'm going to grab the color Loved, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that out because I'm looking real dark and very like just there. So you want to make sure that everything blends very well. Basically, we're just marrying these two colors. Now with my Morphe M433, I'm going to grab the color Excited AF. I'm going to apply this color on the outer part of the eye, and I'm going to make it work into the center. So what I like to do is I like to mix. I like to either tap, 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 it all in, and then I start blending out the edges, or I like to start blending out the edges since the beginning. But depending, if you want to pack on color, just pat, and you work it from there. At first, I was just thinking of adding it in the outer part, but I really like this color, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply this all over the eye. You can use a flat brush, or you can use a type of brush like this, but I'm just going to make it work. Again, back with the Morphe M511, I grabbed the color Loved, and I'm just blending it out, basically in the outer parts of the eye. So as my transition color on the outer part of the eye, I'm just trying to smoke this out and make it just more, oh, great, camera, focus on me, okay? Just smoking this out to the outer part of the eye. Before I go ahead and do some face makeup on, I do want to show you guys that I do have a couple of situations right there, like some fallout from that eyeshadow stuff. But yeah, let me finish up my face makeup and then we'll be back to continue the eye look. So I did end up applying eyeliner off of camera. I used the NYX Vivid Bright. This is the eyeliner in the color, where is it? Vivid Blossom. I'm in love with these eyeliners. They're so cool. But anyways, let's go ahead and continue with the eyes, because that's what I want to finish. With my Morphe M506 brush, I'm going to grab the color Excited AF, which is the one that we used all over the lid. I'm going to top it off because, you know, I don't want any fallout really. And I'm just going to apply that on my lower lashes as close and as, basically as close to the eyelash line as I possibly can. And then I'm going to smoke it out. With the same brush, I grabbed the color Loved. And I'm just going to use that to smoke this out a little bit more. Just try to be as close to the lash line as possible. Bring it down just a little bit, but not too much, because I don't want to look like a raccoon today. So just blend that out. With an eyeshadow brush like this one, I'm going to grab the color Emotional. And I'm going to apply this as my inner corner highlight. So in this area right here. I'm just going to curl my lashes using the Tweezerman eyelash curler so that we can get ready for some lashes. Now for mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal. This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise. It's waterproof. Gotta always get a waterproof mascara, at least for me, because you just never know. So I'm just going to apply this on the eyes and then we'll move on to the face. While my mascara dries, we're going to go ahead and continue with the face because this does include face stuff. So let's go ahead and apply some blush. I'm not exactly sure if I want to grab Flirty or Snatch. I'm not really like a huge blush person, but I think I'm going to use this, this one here, which is the Flirty one, because they're kind of darkish and I'm not really, I don't know. I'm not really a blush girl, you can say, but I'm using the Morphe M500 and I'm just going to tap out as much as I can. I'm just going to apply that on my cheeks very lightly because I just kind of want like a sheen, like a little hint. Because sometimes if you don't apply blush, then you can look really pale and then that doesn't look as cute either. You need a little bit of color, which is crazy because, like, for example, I'm really, really pink and red, right? But then I apply a foundation to cover that, but then when I apply foundation, I'm too pale, so I need to add color. So it's crazy, you know, the way makeup works, but yeah, I think we're good with color like that. See, it's not too much. If you ever think you put too much, you can go over it with your powder brush, and that will help you blend and sew. I'm going to go ahead and highlight using the only highlight color that it comes with, and that's the color Lit. Right there, I'm going to be using this Morphe M510 brush to apply that. Now, I saw Glambyruna. I follow her on IG, and then I'm subscribed to her here on YouTube. And she showed a cool trick about applying her highlight, the way that she does it. I usually apply it like all, you know, all crazy. But she mainly focuses literally like right here in this part of your face, which I found to be very interesting, like just to apply it here. But it's smart because I feel like I have lots of texture in my face, so applying highlight all the way here, it just adds so much texture and dimension there that I don't want. So it's kind of cool to just apply it here because then, you know, it looks good just right there. Just right there looks good. So, yeah. Let's see. I'm just going to continue to apply because I want to blind you guys with some highlight. Then I finished applying the highlight. What do you guys think? I mean, no matter what highlight I put on, you guys, I'm always going to have texture on my skin no matter what. So I've just learned to embrace that. So, YOLO. But I think it's looking really cute. I really like that trick that Glambyruna went ahead and, you know, taught me. So thank you, girl. So now I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. Why I did the whole, like, now? That sounded really crazy. But anyways, I'm going to line my lips because this does come with a lip gloss. So I'm going to be using this NYX lip liner in the color Pale Pink. So I'm just going to line my lips and fill it in. I love to use the NYX lip liners. I think they're so amazing and they're so cheap. And not only that, but I usually line my lips and fill them in at the same time. Well, with the same thing. This lip liner really matches the eye look. It's really cool. But I'm going to be using this lip gloss, which is in the color, here it's called DIY. So, ooh, DIY. So I'm just going to apply this on my lips. It has a little bit of a scent to it. It's not like a good scent, but it's not like a super bad scent. This is a very interesting color. I feel like it kind of low-key washes me out. And I hate lip gloss because, like, sometimes when I speak, you'll see, oh, I can't stand that. You'll see, like, little things sticking to my lips, if that makes any sense. But let me go ahead and let me apply the lashes, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts. So this is the look that I created. I'm actually really liking this look. The lip gloss, my lips look very similar to the eyeliner, which is really, really cool. I'm really, really happy with this look. But overall, I think that this is such a cute packaging, you know, to celebrate their 16 years of business, which is really cool. Honestly, what caught my attention, was the packaging. Like, this is so cool. Like, those little sequence things is so freaking cool. I like that it comes with a little bit of everything. So it has some eyeshadows, blush, it has highlight, it has some lashes, it has mascara, lip gloss, like everything in here is really, really cool. So it's a really good product, especially if you've never tried them before. So I think it's just pretty cool. In general, I'm just going to keep saying that. I've never tried them before, so when I saw this, I was kind of like, I've never used any of the products. Let me test it out. Let me see. So I'm actually pretty happy. I didn't really play with the glittery ones. Those are the ones that I should have played with, but I wasn't feeling it today. You know, I just wasn't in the mood for some glitter today. But I did notice that they're actually really pigmented. I didn't have to apply like a glitter primer or anything. They would glide on pretty easily. But they're like a little drying. So I would say, you know, you have to pack it on, be careful, and so on. But they're really, really like glittery, and it's kind of like that like thick glitter. I don't know how to explain it to you guys. You guys kind of saw the swatches. But overall, I think their eyeshadows blended very well. I know that there was a little bit of fallout, but that's okay. Just make sure to tap out the excess from your brush before actually applying it. But it was easy to blend, super pigmented, true to color, which is really nice. I hate when I apply like certain colors and they're not what they're supposed to look like. Like they look really dark on the pan and they go on really light, or they're really light on the pan and they go on really dark, or they end up being like a whole different shadow. Do I recommend it? I'm gonna say yes. I mean, you do get 16 eyeshadows, 2 blushes, a highlighter, you get some lashes, you get mascara, which even though it's a travel size, and a lip gloss that is travel size, for $49, which is not too bad because most palettes now are retailing for about $35, $40, $49. So having this to be a little bit of everything is pretty good for the price that they're giving it to you for. Not only that, but I'm gonna say something that is negative about this is the packaging. It's super cute, which caught my attention, but when it comes to like travel, I can't travel with this. You know what I mean? I wish that I can like maybe if like the top was to be able to come off and I could take the shadows with me, that'd be pretty cool. But because I can't, like they don't come apart, like I can't, you know what I mean? Like I can't take it out and travel with it. So that's a downer because this is something that has to stay at home. Not really like, I mean, you can take it with you, but it's a little bulky. You know what I mean? Like it's not travel friendly. Let me just leave it at that. But overall, if you're a makeup junkie like me and you like to collect makeup, I think this is a good makeup thing to do. Or this is your first time, you never tried PUR, you kind of want to see. I hope I'm saying it right because I've never ever like really tried this brand before. I never really looked at people's reviews and stuff for PUR. So I'm just gonna say I think it's worth it for $49. They're celebrating 16 years and this is the first time that I'm trying them out of them being in business. Their packaging was really cool. but not travel friendly. But that's okay. Sometimes, you know, things are just meant to go to travel. And I'm sorry, I'm just so freaking... What's the word I'm looking for? I'm so distracted with the packaging. It's just so cute, right? But anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below. Let me know, have you guys tried this brand before? Do you guys have this? Are you guys interested in this? What should I try from them that you guys love? Let me know down below. And you guys are more than welcome to follow me on Instagram or Snapchat. I'm mostly more on Instagram nowadays. If you guys want to see like behind the scenes or when I'm uploading or what the next video will be about, make sure to follow me on that. I mean, you don't got to, but it would be cool if you did. I'll go ahead and I'll put the link down below as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.